Hi, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to edit gem filters using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos before and after using these filters.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here.
The preset download link in description.
I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim,
So let's start photo editing.
take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now to where we started out. Get me out of now to where we started.
Follow the steps.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now to where we started out. Get me out of now to where we started out. Oh no.
Original upload by Crazy Editing. Don't re-upload the videos and presets.
Empty hearts and neon lights.
Now let's try to copy this preset for another photo.
Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm broken hearts and start.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Gotta get up, stop wasting